Now I am going to explain about the Waschel's algorithm. Okay, they will give question like this. Otherwise, they will give direct matrix. You should write the adjacency matrix. I think you will know how to write the adjacency matrix. Like, see, just write A B C D here and A B C D here. Now, is there A to A any path? No, right? So 0. A to B, yeah, it is there, right? Here arrow mark. So I'll write 1. A to C, there is no. So write 0. A to D, there is no. So write 0. Like that you have to write for everything. Okay, B to A, there is no 0. Okay, right, just I will know, that's why I'm skipping. Okay, it's simple. B to A, there is no value, so there is no B to A, there is no like arrow mark, so that we will write 0. Now we should write R1. Listen carefully. Here we should choose first row and first column. Okay, and we should multiply like this to this to this and write here the value. Okay, now let's do that. A B C D, A B C D. You should write this as it is, this row, because it doesn't change. It will be same as it is, as you have wrote. So see, 0 into 0, 0 will be 0 into 0 into 1, 0 only. 0 into 0, 0 will be, and 0 into 0, 0, but here already it is 1, right? So we'll just write 1. If it is 1, write 1. If it is already 0, or 0 into 0, then you have to write 0. It is already 1, right? So this 1 0 0 0 only. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. And here 1 into 1, 1. 1 0 is 0. 1 0 is 0. Sorry, here it will be 1 only, because it is already 1 right here. So we'll write 1. And here 1 0 is 0. Okay, and it is not 1. So next we will choose this row, this column. Again you will write R2 and write like this, A B C D, A B C D, and write it. Now you have to choose this, right? You just write 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. You see, right, wherever 1 it is there, because it doesn't going to change, right? So otherwise you will get confused. Okay, now we have to do this multiply. Now see, first take 1 0 is 0 only, right? 0. Next 1 0 is that, leave it, it is already 1 0 is 0 only. 1 1 is 1, so it will be 0. Here it will be 1. Now take this is already done, so take this and multiply with this. 0 0 is 0 only. Okay, right, 0 0 0 0 only. 0 0 is 0 0 0 is 0. Okay, this doesn't gonna change, and in the end you have 1 1 1 1 0 is 0 1 0 is 0 only. 1 0 is, but it is already 1, so it doesn't going to change it. 1 1 is 1, so we'll write 1. Similar, now we should go for this one. Okay, right, R3. Okay, B C D, A B C D. See, wherever 1 is there, just write. Okay, first write C. It will be, it doesn't going to change, so 0 0 0, and write wherever 1 is there. 1 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, now similar, just multiply it. Okay, 0 0 is 0 only. It is already done, so now go here. 0 0 is 0 only. Here also 0. Okay, and yeah, it is correct only. See, next this is already 0, and this also over. Now we will take this one. Okay, now let's see, A B C D, and this is R4. Here you should write like this. See, for Waschel it will be always 1 0, that like only it will come. Okay, for this algorithm. Now just write whatever D is, D1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Wherever 1 is there, just write as it is. Okay, now see, you should multiply. 1 1 is 1 is already there, so leave it. 1 1 is 1. Now take this one, multiply with again this. One ones are one, one ones are one only, one ones are one only. Here one, next 0, 0 into 1, 0 0 0, like 0 into 1 is all 0, right? So right 0 0 0. And this is the final answer. Okay, this is Warshall. Now I am going to teach you Floyd's algorithm. See, now I'm going to explain Floyd's algorithm. See, first I will teach you how to write the graph matrix. Okay, see, that is simple. 1 to 2 there is way, right? What is the number? That is 3, right? So right, see, 1 to 2 it is 3, and there is no way to 1 to 1, so we have written 0. We have written infinity where, like, see, 1 to 3 there is no way, so 1 to 3 is infinity. Like here, see, is there any way to 2 to 4, like in one pass? There is no, right? So 2 to 4 is infinity. Okay, like that we will write this. If there is no way, like this self loop, it is not there, so it will become 0 only. Okay, for Floyd's algorithm, this will be always 0 only, almost. Okay, now see, now just mark in mind only, otherwise you can use pencil in exam. This will always be 0. Okay, just write. Now d1 you should find out. Okay, there is formula to find out this, so listen carefully. Just write this one and this one as it is, 3 infinity 7, and this is always, diagonal matrix is always 0, so don't worry. 0 0 0. Now see, we have to find, just write, this will be easy for you, that's why. Okay, now see, you have to find 2 comma 3, what is value here. Okay, for that, see formula, you have to find 2 comma 3, right? Now see, which matrix are you on now? D1, right? Right here 1. Okay, you want to find, okay, just you want to find minimum of d of 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 3. Just write it here, d of 2 comma 1 plus d of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. And the answer will be, like, for finding this one, it will be like d of 2 comma 3. Here you come here, previous matrix whatever it is there, 2 comma 3, what is the value? 2, right? 2 comma, now d of 2 comma 1, 2 d of 2 comma 1 will be 8, plus d of 1 comma 3, d of 1 comma 3, it will be infinity. Okay, so it will be infinity. You have to find the minimum you want, so minimum is 2, right? You go right 2 here. Okay, you have to write similar for now, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Okay, now which matrix are you want to find? D1, right? So I'll just write 1 here. Okay, next right formula, d of which one you want? 2 comma 4, so write 2 comma 4 comma, you are in one matrix, right? So 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 4 will be, so 2 comma 1 plus 2 comma 4. I have to write for formula like this only, as I have shown here, right? Here you should write 2 comma 4 3, like that also. Okay, formula it is there, so capital D for the formula, and find it. 2 comma 4, see, 2 comma 4 is infinity. Okay, 2 comma 1, it is 8, plus 2 comma 4, what it is? Sorry, 2 comma 4 not, it is 1 comma 4. What is 1 comma 4? It is 7. 8 plus 7 it has came. Okay, it will be around 15. Okay, this is 15 value, so 15 or infinity, which is smaller? You want to find minimum, right? So 15 is the minimum, so you'll write here 15. Now you have to find 3 comma 2, similar, 3 comma 2, right? You write here 1. You have to find d of 3 comma 2 and d of 3 comma 1 and d of 1 comma 2, and find the value, the minimum value. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 will be 5 plus 1 comma 2, right? 1 comma 2 is 3. Now 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2 is infinity. So which is lower here, minimum? It is 5 plus 3, that was of course 8. You will just write 8. For that only you will write formula for everything. Like now it will be 3 comma 4, right? If it is 3 comma 4, you have to find d1, right? So you will write 1 and here 1. So 3 comma 4, okay, and comma d of 3 comma 1 plus d of 1 comma 4, okay. You should find them. So similarly you should apply for everything, okay. You will find like after doing all that you will get a value of like d1, here it will be 5 and here it will be infinity. Now you should do similar like this one, okay. See, you are now finding d2, right? d2 is what, you should, this one and this one will be similar. You will not change. So 3 0 8 5 8 2 5, and here for diagonal matrix it should be 0 only, and here a b c d, b c and d. Sorry, it is 1 2 3 4, bro. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Similarly you have to find 1 comma 3, right? 1 comma 3, but the matrix now you have to find is 2, right? So you write 2 here. So the formula will be 1 comma the of 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, minimum, okay. This is the minimum, just simple. You have to find d2, right? 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, just one only. You should find 1 comma 3, so you'll just write 1 comma 3 here and write whatever the matrix 2 here, and just write arrow mark. Like for your simplification I'm writing this, okay. Just write 1 comma 2 here and 2 comma 3 here. Now find the this value in the previous matrix, this matrix, not this one now, okay. After if you find similar, like odd will be the 5, for this it will be 7, and this will be this will be 5, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 7. Let's do it like similar only, okay, for all. Then you will go to d3 next. After going to that, if you have to find like you will find this one, right? If you want, then the value will become like 5207 will be similar, 5801 will be same, and diagonal matrix will be 0 only. Now you have to find 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4. Now see, 1 comma 2 have to find here. So similar, see, 1 comma 2 it will be same, but see here you have to find third, right? So 1 comma 2 I have to find, so the matrix is 3, so it will be like this: 1 comma 3, d of 1 comma 3 plus d of 3 comma 2. Just substitute the value. Like you see, when you were finding this one, you took this value. When you are finding this one, you took this value. When you are finding d4, you take the value, so d3 you will take the value of d2 here. So what is the d1 comma 2? 1 comma 2 is 3, comma d of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 1 comma 2, so on that value, so 1 comma 3 value is 5 plus d comma 3 comma 2 is 3 comma 2 is 8. You can easily see that minimum is 3. You should all find the minimum. Let's see, this formula, it is very important, okay. You should write this formula and find the value of it. For that you should do the same thing for until you will go for almost what, d4. You will get the value something like, I will not going to do it because it will become very lengthy. So just same for next also we will do the same only, and you will get in the final answer this one, okay. And this is the final answer we will get. And let's go to next. Now it is module 4's knap problem. See, This is like for understand, like you see, now you have 0. See, now you have 0. Okay, 0 whatever, like we have capacity of 0. Okay, now you have item 0. How much you can store? 0 only. If your capacity is 0 only, how much you can store? 0 only. Even if we get 2 items, you can't store it because capacity is 0 only. So okay, now you have capacity of 1. Okay, you can take 1, this one. Okay, you can only take this one. Okay, you can't take more than that, only this one. Okay, you have 0 capacity. Sorry, you see, from previous this one you have 0, like 0 items. Okay, this one is capacity, this one is capacity, this is item. Okay, in previously you have 0 item capacity. If you, even if you have 5 capacity, you have no item to store, right? So it will be 0. Now you have item 1, this one. You have item this one. Next you have 1, you will take this one. Now you have 0 capacity, you can't store anything. Now you have 1 capacity, but this weight is 2 here, so you can't store then also. But now you have capacity 2, so you can store this because weight is 2. See, for 1 you should only take this item, you are not considering this 3 now, because it is only 1 item you can take, first item. So it will be 1 comma with what is the value. If you take value is 12, so write 12. How much it will become? You can't take another value, so that one only. Now you have 2, you can take this 2 now. Now see, now your capacity is 0, you can't take anything. Capacity is 1, yeah, you can now take because its weight is only 1, right? So it will become 10. Now the capacity is 2. Now see which value. 10 is great, you can take 1 now, but capacity is only 2, right? You can't take this both at once, you can only take 1. So 12 is greater, right? If you take this one, you won't get profit of 10, but if you take this one, you will get profit of 12. So we will change to 12. Now we have capacity of 3, so you can take this both 2, because 2 plus 1 3, you can store it, right? So it will become 10 plus 12 22. Only you can take the 2 elements, right? So that one's on. Now 3. now now you have 3, you can take starting 3 elements. So take it like 0 capacity means 0 only. You have 1, for 1 you can only take this one, so 10. For 2 capacity you take this one, because it will give the highest profit for you, so you will change to 12. Now capacity is 3, you can take this one or this 2. Okay, but if you take this 2, the profit will be high, right? So we will take this 2, because it will, this 2 calculation will be 21 22, but this will be 20. You can take this 2 because weight will be exceed, so you can't take. So see, the capacity is 5, so only you have written 0 to 5. Okay, and now take 22. Now we have 4. Now you can take 3 plus 1, so it will be 3 plus 1, which will be 30. Next you can take 5 have capacity, right? You can take 3 plus 2, this one. Now will be 20 plus 12, which will be 32. Now you have 4 items. Similar, bro, nothing gonna change here. You have 4, so you can take all 4 elements on however combination you want. The profit will be maximum you want to take. Okay, there's only 4 items, so just leave it. And 0 only. If you have 1, 10 is the maximum you can take. If you have 2, now see, the 15 has came here, so you can take 15, which will be higher profitable than 12. And next is 3. For 3, that is simple, you can 2 plus 1, this will be higher, right? So it will be 25. And next is 4, for that you can get 10, and in the end you can get 27. See, to get 27, what is the value I have chosen? See, 37 I have chosen, 1, 2 and 4. If we choose these 3, we get highest maximum profit with the capacity only. So in the end you should write item selected is 1, 2, 4 for profit 37. Now see, the next problem I'm going to explain is this this is not coin making problem, this coin row problem. Okay, they will give this array, this one, they will give this one array. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is this q is this array and anything, right? Okay, and see, next again they will give an value 17. Okay, and the first thing you have to do is write a table like this: index, c and f. Now you have to write this array in this c. Forget 0. Okay, you will not write here anything. From here you will start. Just write however order they have given: 5, 1, 2, 10, 6, 2. Okay, it is 6 because this array is 6. So okay, from 0 it will start. Now see, for first you have to do is f of 0 means this f of 0 you should substitute 0, and for f of 1 you should means like initialize the value c of 1. Whatever is here you should write here. So what is c1? It is 5, right? So write like this. So f of 0 is 0, f of 1 is c1 is 5, so you write 5. Okay, this is 5. Now come to f2. Sorry, now next step. Okay, here see, to find this one f2, see, you should find maximum of, you are in second step, right? So c of 2 comma, sorry, dot comma, you should write f plus f of 0 comma f of 1. Find the maximum c of 2 plus f of 0. C of 2 is 1 plus f of 0 is 0 comma f of 1 is 5, which is maximum 5, right? So you just write 0, 5, here 5 you write. It is simple, it is similar. You write whatever it is here, just write again. You might consider how this formula came. The formula is simple, bro. Like whatever is f of I, step, right? Step. Okay, right? Maximum of c of I plus f of, sorry, here f of I minus 2 comma f of I minus 1. Okay, this is the formula I have used here. Let me give you, like f of 3 you have to find, right? See, I become 3. Okay, next maximum of, okay, c of 3 plus f of 3 minus 2. How much will be there? 3 minus 2, it will be 1, right? So write f of 1. Here we will write 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, it will be how much? 2, right? So comma f of 2. What is the value will be? C of 3. What is the value of C of 3? C of 3 is 2 comma plus plus f of 1 value. F of 1 value is how much? 5, right? 5. Now f of 2. What is f of 2? That is 5. So see, which is maximum? You should find maximum here. So 2 plus 5, 7 is the maximum. So see, you have to write block diagram for each steps. Okay, I will write like simple from here only because video length will be so much. So I will write like this only. Okay, now this is f3 I'm writing. It will be 0, 5, it will be 5. Here what we got? 7. Now similar, you have to apply formula for every step. Now it is 3, right? Next it will become 4. Just substitute 4 in this formula and find the value from the from the upper limit. Okay, for each steps you have to write box. Okay, and in after 6 steps it will be ending. Okay, and the last f6 you will get 0, 5, 5, 7, 15, 15 and 17. By this way you will do this coin row problem. Okay, remember this formula. Okay, formula is important. Using formula only you can find it. And next one is coin making formula. See, I also don't know how to do this because I am only confusing. I don't know how he has done using formula, but I know the logic how he has used. See, they will give 1, 3, 4 and n is equal to 6. Okay, see, first you have 0 coin. You have to you have these 3 coins. Okay, now you have to make 0 to give, like, see, now you have I want to give you 0 rupees. So how many coin I have to give you? 0. Just right. Now I have to give you, now it is step 1. Step 1 is yearly only over. Okay, now go to step 2. Now now I have to give you 1 rupees. So I have 134. It is unlimited. I have 134 coins unlimited. Now I have to give you 1 rupee. So how much coin I should give you? If I give you 1 coin of 1 rupees, it will mean one only. See, you have to write block diagram for each step. But I am going to write like this only. Otherwise video length will be more, bro. That's why. And just write, I will write like this. Okay. See, f4, f5, f6, I don't know how many steps. So f7. Now you have to, like, 0 1 will like this only. Now I have to give you 2 rupees. I have 1, 3 and 4. So how many coins I should give? So you will get 2 rupees. Like, I don't have 2 rupees. Like, if I have 2 rupees, I could have written here 1, because from 1 coin only you could have gotten 2 rupees. So no. So it is 2, right? So I will give 1 rupees 2 coins. So we will write 2. Now I have to give you 3 rupees. So how can I give you 3 rupees? It is similar. Whatever I write like this only. Now I have to give you 3 rupees. Now see, I have 3 rupees coin. I know in real life it is not there, but I have 3 rupees 1 coin. So I can give that 1 coin only. So from 1 coin only, I can give you 3 rupees. Now next step is 0 1. Next is 4 rupees. I have 4 rupees coin, so I can give from 1 only. I can give you. Now I have to give you 5 rupees. See, whichever is the lowest possible, I can, like, 4 plus 1 I can give, or 1 only I can 5 coins, which will be easy. Like 4 plus 1 will be easy. So 4 coin and 1 coin. So it will be 2 coins I'm going to give you. So 2. And the next is 6. For the 6, how many coins I can give? Like 0. But this will be similar only. For 6, I can give you 4 plus 1 1, which will be 3 coins. Or I can give 2 coins, which will be minimum. So I will just write 2 here. And this is the final answer. You should write block in each steps. Okay. And in the end, you should write for the amount n is equal to 6 and denominator 1 comma 3 comma 4 is yields 2 coin, because here in the end 2 coins will come, right? So 2 coins, and that's the answer. Now see, this is the last problem in the model. Okay, this is called coin collecting problem. See, think you can only go front or down. You can't go back or upside again. But the thing is, you can go like this. Think as it as a snake game, but you can only go front and downside. By the end, if you go out from here, you should take maximum coins. Think this is all coins. You go and collect them. Okay, you can go like this and go like this, but you can't go and go this again, or go, you can go up, you can't go like that, you can only go front and down. Okay, see, you can go here. How many coins you collected here? Zero. If you go here, zero. If you go here, zero. If you go here, zero. So right, like if you go straight, right, you can only go straight. Here, how much possible you can coin, you can get zero. Here it is also zero. Okay, from here, zero. Here it is also zero. Now see, there is a coin here. So if you pass from here, you can get a coin. How many coins you can get? One. So we'll write one. If you go here, how many possible way you can go here, and how many coins you can get? Okay, you can go like this only. If you go here, you can't go up, right? So from, if you go like this, you can possibly, you can get only one coin. So you can get one here. Start from here. Now again, if you like think, you go gone here, then you come back down and you pass from here. Next, how many coins will be? Like you can't go here and came like this, you just go here and down and here. How much coin? One. So here it will be zero only, but when you pass here it will be one. Now we will go here. How much possible you can go? You can come like this or ever this, whichever possible you can go. One is the maximum coin you can take, so it will be one. Now come here, it is zero. So from zero it will come here. So you took one coin here and another coin here, so it will become two. Now here also you can come in, yeah, here in any way, but the maximum coin you can collect is two only, because you can go from here. That is the maximum coin you can collect. Here also two. Similar. Now start three. Here it will be zero. You can take one coin here. How? You can go here. You can come like this and this. Okay, right. You can only go like this. So you have come here and come here. So it will be like one. You took one coin, right? So you can write one coin here. Now here, how much coin it can be? You can come like this and this. So then also you get only one coin. Now you have another way. Now see, you can go, now you want this value. If you come here, in how many way the maximum coin you could collect? Like you can come here, 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 here. How many coins you collected from the way? 1, 2, 3. So you'll write 3. And next, for here, how many coins you can collect? Same, 3 only. Here you can collect 1, 2, 3, and here you can take here also. So it will be 4. Okay. Again, next 4. Here how many coins you can collect? Maximum you can collect 0. Okay. Now come here. You can collect 1. How? You can go here and here. See. Okay. You can't come like this and all. Okay. You can only go front and down. That's all. So only it is 1. And next is here. There is coin already. So you can go like this and this. So it will be 2 coins you will collect. See here. You can collect like, you could go like this. You can go here and here it will be 2, and here, sorry, now see, you can go like here, it is coin, right? You can go, you want value of this. How many coins can you collect? You can go from like this. You collected here 1, here you collected 2, here you collected 3, then you will go here 3. So you can collect maximum up to 3. Now here also it will be 3. Just calculate, you will find it. Now here, how much coin you can collect? You can collect 5 coins. You can go from like this 1, you go here, next 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. You can collect 5 coins. Now similar, do for this also. You can see, there is coin here. I forgot to write here. Okay. So you can get collect coin 1 here only. So it will be 1. Next here, how many coins you can collect? It will be 1 only. Here it will be 2. How? You can collect like or you, like see, you can go check once. Okay, you will find out. Check out, like You could go like this, now this, next go. How many coins you will have? Here one coin, here one coin. So it will be 2. Now next here, it will be 3 coins. Like you can go like 1, 1, 2, 3, and here it will be 3 coins maximum you can collect. So 3. Here 4. See, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, 4th coin. So it will be 4. Now here simple, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, 4 coin, 5 coin, 5. So it will be 5, and this is the answer. Now in the end you should write, like, again you have to write the coins. Okay, here it is 1 coin, here 1 coin, here 1 coin, here 1 coin. Like this will be given in the question only. Okay, in the end you have to write the path which you get the maximum. Like this you will go like this, this. Okay, and you will go here. Okay, now in the end you should write 2 paths to collect 5 coins, the maximum number of coin possible. And that's finished the module 3.